Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shopnil Facts, Education and Art and Craft. Today I am going to discuss with you all about the simplest form of fractions, equivalent fractions and plotting fractions on number line. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is a video of number system part 7. So, fractions on a number line. Plot 2 by 5, 3 by 4 and 9 by 8 on a number line. So, how will you plot fractions on a number line? Let's see some examples to understand this. First up, let's plot proper fractions. So, 2 by 5 is a proper fraction, right? And remember, all the proper fractions lie in between 0 and 1. So 2 by 5 also lies between 0 and 1. So take the distance between 0 and 1 as you can see here. And then divide this line into 5 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 equal parts it is divided. Then count the second line. See, I have counted the second line. So that is 2 by 5. And this is the location on 2 by 5, and this is how you plot any proper fraction on a number line. Now let's see how do you plot a mixed fraction on a number line. So as you can see here, I have given the example 3 by 4. So how will you plot 3 by 4? See, as it is written 3, so you will get to know that it lies between 3 and 4. Okay, so here see, in between 3 and 4 I have divided it into 4 equal parts. So you need to divide the line segment into that number of equal parts that is given in the denominator. So here 2 by 5 I have divided it into 5 equal parts. Here it is 3 by 4 I have divided 3 by 4 I have divided it into 4 equal parts, and so on and so forth. So here I have divided it into 4 equal parts. Now see, I have counted the third part. See, 1, 2 and 3. I have counted the third part, and this is 3 by 4. Now let's see how to plot improper fractions. So 9 by 8 is an improper fraction, right? So 9 by 8, how will you plot? You may count from 0 to 2 and then divide it into 9 equal parts from 0 to 1 and 8 equal parts from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Then you might find the ninth one and then get it. But if it's a long number, then you can't find it. So the easier method is to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, the method that I have taught you in my previous video. You will convert that and you will get 1 by 8. Now you get to know that it lies between 1 and 2. So take the distance between 1 and 2 and divide the line into 8 equal parts, as the denominator is 8, and then count the first part like you have plotted in the mixed fraction. And then as it is 9 by 8, so you will write 9 by 8. Or you can give oblique and write 1 by 8 also. That will not reduce marks. But you have to write 9 by 8 because it is the main fraction given in the question. Now let's see fractions in simplest form. Let me read this statement out for you. Fractions which can't be reduced and has 1 as its HCF of numerator and denominator are known as simplest form of fractions. So which means HCF you know, right? So that is when numerator and denominator are not reduced, then they are simplest form of fractions and they have HCF of 1 and not anything. So let's see some examples. I have taken 22 by 36. So let me reduce 22 by 36 by 2. 22 by 2 gives 11, 36 by 2 gives 18. So you get 11 by 18. Now 36 by 100. Let's first divide it by 2. You get 18 by 50. Then again divided it by 2, you get 9 by 25. So in both the cases, the simplest form has 1 as its HCF. So 11 and 18 has 1 as its HCF, and 9 and 25 also has 1 as its HCF. And even they don't have any common factor. Now let's see some equivalent fractions. Fractions which look different but have the same value after its simplest form are called equivalent fractions. So this means that if any two given fractions look different, as the numerator and denominator is different, but their simplest form value is same. See, 6 by 12 and 12 by 24. It will be 24, okay? I have written 27 by mistake. Anyways, so 6 by 12, let's reduce it 3 by 6, and then again reduce it, you get 1 by 2. And then 12 by 24, reduce it, you get 2 by 4, and then reduce it, you get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are equal, right? So 6 by 12 and 12 by 24 are equal. Now let's see how to find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction. See, here 2 by 3 is written. 2 by 3, I would recommend, see, you can multiply it with any number in both numerator and denominator. But I would recommend you to start from 2, because it will be easier for you to multiply. Okay, so 2 by 3, so 2 into 2 by 3 into 2, you get 4 by 6. And now 2 by 3, after 2 you will take 3, and the next number you will take the next number after the taken number. So you have taken 2, now you have taken 3. So 2 by 3 into 3, 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. So it's 3 by 9. So 4 by 6 and 6 by 9 are equal. So they are equivalent fractions. See here, if it is asked to find 10 fractions, then you will start from 2, then take 3, then take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then you get 10 equivalent fractions. Now let's see another example. Okay, so let me say you something. If the fraction given is small, then you will understand that you have to multiply it, and if the fraction given is large, then you will know that you have to divide it. So here it is 60 by 100. You can multiply if you want, but if you multiply, then it will become very large. Okay, so I would recommend, if there is a big kind of fraction like this 60 by 100, then you should divide it. Now let's see 60 by 100. I divide numerator and denominator by 10. I get 6 by 10, right? This is one fraction, and 60 by 100 I divide it by 20. I get 3 by 5. This is one fraction, and both fractions are equal, so they are equivalent fractions. Oh, and let me show you a trick. Remember I told you need to find its simplest form and find the equivalent fraction. It is not always necessary to find the simplest form, because if it is a large number, you can cross multiply it, like 6 into 5 and 3 into 10. See here, 6 5s are 30 and 3 10s are 30. Both are equal, right? So they are equivalent fractions. I hope this trick is really good for your competitive exams, because in exams if you apply this trick, it will not be okay. If the question says to apply this, then you can apply. Otherwise you will apply this one that I have showed you. So here we came to the end of this video. That will be all for today. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.